If nangita kag barato na items na perfect karong Pasko, then save this video for your next shopping experience. Hey guys, shop with me. There is a Closeout Overruns Designer Outlets. And this is located sa AS Fortuna, Mandaue, kilid sa Jollibee in front of Pit Lane Resto Bar. Mao ni ang sulod sa ilang store guys. They are selling high quality overruns, mapa high quality designer and luxury item bags, wallets and belts, nindot na mga sapatos, sunglasses and caps, cologne and perfumes, branded na mga t-shirts and apparel, trendy na mga tumblers like Stanley and Owala, and naasad sila yung mga Crocs, naapod sila yung mga backpack, and naapod sila yung barato kaayo na buy one take one lotion. Kanita na akong gimension, mapalit ra jud sa Closeout Overrun Designer Outlets. Plus, napad jud sila yung sale items na nagsugod from 10% to 50% off. And starting this November, naa sila pa promo na super sulit kaayo. And guys, napod sila pambata na items. Kabalo ko na excited na kayo mo mag-shopping dire. So sugod na sa Closeout Overruns Designer Outlets, and salamat sa pagtanaw.